What's going on, stackers? So in this video, this is all about Redbubble. I'm going to give you my thoughts about the platform, what I like, what I don't like, and how I'm going to use it to make passive income. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making passive income using Amazon and low content books, then check out the link in the description, or you can go to printingprofits.com with no G. This is my course that teaches step by step on everything you need to know to run a low content book publishing business. And as you can see, we have a 9-star rating and we still have the offer on at the minute. So go through and check that out by hitting the link in the description or going to printingprofits.com. So Redbubble. Let's go over to the platform and I'll show you what I like and what I don't like. So here we are in my Redbubble dashboard. I've been doing this for a few days now. I have over 10 designs already uploaded. Now I'm doing this a little bit different. Most people take their t-shirt designs or their book designs or whatever designs and put that straight onto Redbubble. Now me personally, I'm specifically making designs just for Redbubble. But at the same time, they actually look really good on books, so I'm turning them into books as well for KDP. So, what do I like about this? Like I said, I've been doing this for 10 days. I already have 5 favourites, so 5 people have already favourited my products. But I like the dashboard. The dashboard could be a little bit more slick, but it tells you up here how many followers you have, your favourites received, and your products sold. As you can see, I have not sold nothing as of yet, but they do give some good data. So here you're going to be able to see your earnings summary. In a few weeks, I am assuming that I will have a few sales, and then earnings by artwork as well, so you can see that. But this is the bit I do like, so they show you your traffic. Now I do like this, but they are a little bit behind on showing their traffic by a few days. Now I've had more traffic than this because on my products you can see how many views it has had, and I'm getting a few, but it hasn't showed up here yet because there's a little bit of a delay in their reporting, and I don't like that. That is annoying, but still, at least they do give you data on where your traffic is coming. So all this one, these 2 was organic, as it says just here, and this one was from social media. So I'm assuming that someone's actually shared one of my products on a social media website. So that's one of the things I do like, is that they show you your traffic sources. Now another thing I do like is that you can create your own store, which you can't do on KDP. Now I am going to blur out my designs just over here so you can't see them. Over here, I suppose this is like a little bio which you can fill out. I've put that here just for some filler text. I am going to fill this out better than that. But another thing that I do like is that you can put links within your bio. So when it comes to your products, if you know anything about Redbubble, when you upload your design, you can automatically put it on to so many different products. Then you can actually, I don't know if you know this, get links to your collections. So every link here is to a collection of just what it says here on the left hand side. So if you click here, you go to a collection of all my mugs with all my designs on them. Same with t-shirts, leggings, pillows, mugs, clocks, iPhones. No matter what products you have on Redbubble, you can get a link to just your collections. Now, if you want to know what that link is, I can put that in the description below to these links, not my links, so you can use them yourself. Because just here, I am going to blur it out. All you have to do is change the store name to your store name, and bam, you have links to your collections. I really like that. So that's another thing that I do like. Now, another one is that you get paid once a month in the middle of every month as well. And I quite like that. I quite like knowing that if I make sales, that I'm going to get a little bit of cash within the middle of the month. So that's another thing I do like. If you've noticed, there's not many things that I don't like about this platform. I'm actually really liking this. Now, another thing that I really like is that they do retargeting for you. So what do I mean by this? Well, if you don't know much about advertising, you can get a little bit of code. It's a little bit of JavaScript. You can do this when you're doing Shopify or selling any products. You have a little bit of JavaScript on your product page or on your checkout page, somewhere on your website. Then every time someone visits your product, they get cookied with that JavaScript, and then you can run ads at those people. That's retargeting. And Redbubble do this for you. So if someone was to visit one of your products, they're going to retarget you all around the internet. So I screen captured this from Facebook to show you what I mean. So imagine this is your product, someone's visited this on Redbubble, then they go on Facebook and bam, they see an ad with the product they just visited. Now they also do this on Google as well. They do it all around the internet completely for free. So this doesn't cost you anything. This is just icing on the cake that they also do retargeting, which is really powerful, and it's pretty cool that they actually do this. So that's some things that I like and don't like about the platform. Mainly that I do like. I haven't found much that I don't like at the minute. That could change further down the line and the more that I play with this platform. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.